Hi, I'm Greg Gutfeld, author of the book Lessons from the Land of Pork Scratchings. How did I come to write this book? It's a good question. About 3 years ago, I was living in New York. I was pretty successful. I was in physically great shape. I had a great job. I had a few girlfriends. I had no really bad habits, except I was miserable. Like everyone around me in New York, we were always trying to pursue happiness, yet we were never happy. And I came to the conclusion that the pursuit of happiness is what was making me so miserable. So what was my solution? It was to come to London. I took a job working in magazines. When I arrived in London, what did I find? I found warm beer, soggy food in tiny portions, spotty train service, waiters who didn't care whether I lived or died. And for some reason, all of this together made me happy. That's what makes England great. Diminished expectations. Knowing that everything around you isn't going to be great makes anything good seem like a pleasant surprise. So I hope you enjoyed the book. I enjoyed writing it.